Welcome to this SiteAux overview. SiteAux has been in the cloud services business since 2008 and provides automated deployment, installation, and leasing of numerous Unix and Linux-based operating system instances. We provide these operating system instances on demand, and they are deployed in minutes from the time you place your online order. No need to speak to a sales rep or account manager. The operating system instances provided in the SiteAux cloud include the following: IBM AIX on PowerPC servers, Hewlett Packard HPUX on Itanium IA64 servers, Solaris on SPARC-based hardware and Solaris on Intel-based servers, Oracle Solaris on SPARC-based hardware and Solaris on Intel-based servers. We provide a variety of Linux distributions on IBM PowerPC hardware. We also provide a variety of Linux distributions on Intel and AMD-based hardware. The advantages of leasing your Unix and Linux environments in the SiteAux cloud are many, such as: we offer short-term leasing such as daily, weekly, or monthly options. We offer longer-term leasing by the month if needed. No contracts or long-term commitments. Never any hidden fees. Never any additional costs. Pay as you go. And no surprise CPU cycle fees or any other usage fees. SiteAux also provides a wide range of environments including the latest Linux distros, legacy Unix operating systems, AIX, HPUX, and Solaris all in a single location, obsolete and unsupported operating system versions that are not offered anywhere else, virtual private networks for network and data privacy. SiteAux offers prepackaged software development environments, and the customer may create their own environments for requirements such as high availability, disaster recovery, training systems, testing systems. SiteAux provides automated deployment of AIX, HPUX, Solaris, and Linux VMs on demand and in minutes of placing an order through any of the following methods: the SiteAux website at siteaux.com, or the SiteAux Apple iOS app, which is available at the Apple Store at no cost, or the SiteAux Android app, again available at the Google Play Store at no cost. If you would like any additional information, please go to our website at siteaux.com and click on Contact Us at the top of the home page, or open a support ticket by visiting siteaux.com/support.